Here is the scenario 1. In this scenario we will introduce all the components in our project. Here we have motion radar sensor 2 and this is motion radar sensor 1, and you can see the radar sensor 3 and 4 here. So this is radar sensor 4 and here it is radar sensor 3. So this is the network connected with all these 4 radar sensors, and once the elephant come inside to the network, it will transmit a signal to the radar receiver, and you can see this is geophone and this is geophone circuit, and this is the neural network. The geophone and neural network wirelessly connected, so whatever the frequencies will be taken from the geophone will send to the neural network, and neural network will send it to the radar receiver, and radar receiver is connected with LoRa transmitter, and what LoRa transmitter will do, once radar receiver receive all the signal from radar transmitters and the geophone, LoRa transmitter will send the signal to the fence. So this is our fence, electric fence, and the alarm system. You can see this is the electric fence and this is the alarm system. So once LoRa transmitter will send the signal, it will comes to the main system. So this is the main system, the LoRa receiver inside this main system, and this is solar panel, and this is backup power system. So in this condition we cannot use solar system because of this condition, so we are using this high voltage. It's automatically back up the system. If solar is not working, it will go to the power system. If power system is not working, it will work with the solar system. So in this type it works with the power system. You can see the voltage. So this voltage will energized by this this module. So you can see the system of there, and you can see the LEDs in our project. We say that we will use this, this is a prototype version, we will use this LEDs to scare off the elephants. So LEDs on the fence. So this is the final alarm system. Once we detect if all the component works correctly, so alarm system should work once elephant is detected.
This is the solar panel, this is the battery 12 volt, this is the backup battery, this is the main system of electric fence, this is the energizer of this part, this is ignition coil, this is the MOSFET ignition switch driver, this is the electric fence. This electric fence only works after getting the signal from the LoRa transmitter receiver is in this main system. LoRa signal gets to this main system, the electric fence powered until the electric fence not powered. This is the alarm system. This alarm system works under 2 logics. One logic is after getting the signal from the LoRa, it's work, it's detect elephant come from the elephant pass. The second logic is after breaking this elephant fence, the laser lights are not received for LDR like this. Then it works, this detect elephant, destroy the elephant fence.
This is our scenario 2. These are our first 2 motion sensors, and here are our other 2 motion sensors. So all these 4 sensors work, make a WSN network, and you can see our geophone here. So geophone is getting the readings from the ground, and behind you can see the alarm system with the fence. Fence has its flashlights, and it works, and the fence and the alarm system will works once the elephant is detected in between this WSN network. So we'll see the first scenario using a real object. So in this case we don't have elephant, so we use human being to test our system. Okay, let's start. Okay, now user is coming and crossing the first two radar sensors. Now it come in between inside to the WSN network. Now you can see all four sensors are here. Now geophone also getting the readings. Now user is closing to the edge of the network. Now the alarm system should work. You can see alarm system and the flashlight is working in this system. So this is scenario 2. In this case we will check one of our module in this WSN network if missing. The system should work once the elephant touch the or the break the fence. It should work with the alarm system. So in this case, to test that, one of our member in the team will remove the WSN network one module. So you can see the second radar sensor will be removed. So you can see the battery will be removed from the system. This is the battery, and now he is removing the system. Now we have only 3 radar modules in here. So we'll see once the user come in across this system if it works or not. Now you can see now the user come in between the WSN network. Not like the first scenario, it doesn't the alarm system is not working because one of module is missing. So he should break the fence to work with the alarm system. Now power is already working because one of module is missing. Now we'll see what will be happen. And the user is trying to cross in the fence and trying to break it, and the user is trying to break the alarm system. Now you can see it works.